What's up, ketchup? And so guys, we're gonna try another food for today, and it's this. Laan nyo guys kung ano to. Ang makahula. Wala, edi nahulaan nyo. So it's the pistachio nuts craze. So it's Coco Martin. Check. No, it's fall in love with Coco. Coco. Yan. So we're gonna try this one. Pressure pa talaga. And once again, check the packaging first before you eat everything else for safety. Check the expiration date, and this is a certified Gold Choice Award, so it's safe, I think. Surely it's safe. So it is made from pistachio nuts, stir-fried pistachio nuts. So let's try. Pick na no. Color green. Color green, color green, 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 green. So ito yung naman na guys. We're gonna try that. Ito guys. Masyadong kita eh. So that will be all. And joke lang. So we're gonna try it. Dali niya lang buksan guys. This one. And it tastes good. Masarap to guys sa ano. Alam mo yun, yung mga kinakain sa patay. Social, no? Naka-ano pa, pistachio nuts. Wow! Hindi siya maalat. Pero masarap siya. Feeling ko, pag na-try nyo to guys, isang upuan lang, ubos na agad. It's yummy. Nakailan na ba ako? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan, so that will be all. My rate for this food is 10/10 because it's delicious and sulit guys. Sulit guys, hindi kayo magsisisi. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now. Take care.